Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another video on a try-on contact lenses today, and it's the same company again, and these are from Just4Kira. I already did a video trying on 4 colors, so we're gonna try on another 4 colors today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and let's begin. I've tried these lenses before, but these are just different colors. I really like them and I'm hooked. And they also have so many good promotions on their website all the time. So the first color I'm gonna try is Sita Hazel. It's greenish, but it's really light green color. I really love it actually. It's really pretty. Very natural. I love the way it looks on the eyeballs. These are Sita Hazel. They're really nice. I really like the color. Very natural. Goes well with my skin tone and my hair color. So now I'm gonna try on the Neela pink color. Neela pink, it looks pink in the water. So Neela pink is like a brown color that has a pink shift to it. Actually, I really like it. It's very pretty. It's nice color as well. I'm not used to this, as I said, but it's so pretty when you have them both in the eyes. Like I felt like comparing it to my brown eyes, it was so light, but as I'm looking at them right now, they look very like natural hazel color. Sl29 Brown. Oh my goodness. These, oh my god, I love this color. I just feel like my eyes are sparkling in this. Like very natural, but very sparkly. Really love it. Oh my god, I love this color so much. I really like it when it's very natural on the eyes. Very pretty. I'm sure you can see the difference. This is in the color Sl29 Brown. They look so pretty. Very natural compared to the Neela pink. I really like them. Like they look like hazel, very natural brown color, and they are very sparkly. So Hamphi Gray is the last color I have here, so I'm gonna try it on right now. So here we have Hamphi Gray. I really like it. It's very pretty. It's a very nice color too. I thought it was gonna be so light, but it's not. I really love those colors so much. They look very natural. I just wanted to compare them for you guys here. This is Hamphi Gray. I feel like it's very natural color. It has a little bit of gray in it, but still you can see a little bit of hazel and greenish color in it. It's so, I think, unique and pretty. I really like them. This is all I have. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more, and I will leave all the information down below for you guys. Thanks so much for watching. See you guys. Bye.